Hi guys, in this video let me teach you the Cash App Please Try Again Later issue on your Cash App. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So this is very easy guys, so all you have to do here is go over to your settings and head over to your app manager here and search for the app Cash App. Once you are here, you just have to go over and press force stop here at the bottom, okay? And head over to storage and make sure to hit clear data, clear cache first, okay? And proceed to clear all data and hit okay. So what this does guys, it actually hard resets the app or basically reformats the app and it will log you out on your accounts on the app. So all you have to do is log into it again. And don't worry guys, because this will not delete any important files or preferences on the app. It will just get you logged out and you just need to log in again. But if this still does not work guys, I suggest to check if you are using the latest version of your Cash App and make sure to take note of that on the downloads on your store. So okay guys, those are the ways on how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching and goodbye.